Hey guys, welcome back to the Feeding Your Fam kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple recipe for homemade taco soup. This recipe is made with just canned goods and taco seasoning, items you probably already have in your home. This recipe couldn't be any easier. All you do is dump, stir, and heat, and dinner is ready. This recipe is really special to our family because it came to us in a time of need. My husband had lost his job a couple years ago, and that's always a super stressful, hard time. We had little kids at home, and one night our doorbell rang, and a sweet neighbor had left a brown bag with a recipe stapled to the bag for this 8-can taco soup. And this is something that has become almost a weekly recipe in our home because we love it so much, and it's so easy to make. Even my kids can throw this together. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for our 8-can taco soup, we're gonna be using 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of sweet corn kernels, 1 can of dark red kidney beans, a can of pinto beans, a can of black beans, and a can of green chilies. Now you can use these mild, medium, or hot, whatever you prefer. We prefer mild. We're kind of wimps around here. And a packet of your favorite taco seasoning. All right, let's throw the soup together. Just dump in your cans of soup. You don't even need to drain anything. Then we just add in our taco seasoning. Give it a quick stir. We're gonna bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. All those juices from the beans will help this thicken up really nice. Oh, it looks good already. Okay, our soup is done. It smells delicious. It looks delicious. Look at all of that goodness in there. Now you can go ahead and eat this soup as it is right now, or you can add a little bit of your favorite toppings. I'm gonna add a little bit of sour cream, some cheese, a little cilantro, a few diced avocados, and of course, tortilla strips. Thanks so much for following along with this simple recipe for homemade taco soup. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope you look through your pantry and find a couple extra cans and think of someone that you can share this recipe with too. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.